Unleash your potential, mastering can in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into the exciting world of the modal verb, can. This simple but powerful word is a crucial tool in your English language arsenal. We'll focus specifically on common expressions that use can to talk about ability. Let's start with a quick recap. Can is a modal verb used to express ability, possibility, permission or request. In this lesson, our focus is on can as a symbol of ability. Here are some examples to set the stage. I can swim. This means I have the ability to swim. She can play the piano. This means she has the ability to play the piano. Remember, can does not change according to the subject and doesn't need an auxiliary verb in questions or negatives. Now, let's explore some common expressions using can. 1. Can do. When you are confident that you are able to complete a task, you can say, I can do it. 2. Can't help but. This is used to express something that is unavoidable or uncontrollable, like, I can't help but laugh. 3. Can't stand. When you really dislike something, you can express this by saying, I can't stand the noise. 4. Can't wait. If you're really looking forward to something, you might say, I can't wait for the concert tonight. 5. Can't bear. When something is too painful or distressing to endure, use the phrase, I can't bear the thought of losing you. Each of these expressions is a tool for sharing more about your abilities, emotions, and experiences in English. Let's put your new knowledge to the test. Here's a quick exercise. Try to use each of the expressions we've just learned in a sentence of your own. Feel free to pause the video and take a moment to think. This will help reinforce what you've learned and make you more comfortable using can in daily conversation. And there we have it. You've just expanded your English abilities by mastering common expressions with can. Remember, the best way to improve is to practice, so don't be shy about using these new expressions in your everyday English. We hope this video has been helpful and given you a deeper understanding of the many ways we can use can in English. Keep practicing, and see you next time.